We're gonna be replacing the battery for the Mazda CX-5 remote for the car. Here are kind of what you need for this: the remote and the batteries, if you would like to see the number. Then we're gonna be using a knife or a sharp edge tool. Be opening the remote. First thing on the back, remove the latch to remove the key. Then on the side, there's going to be a latch. That's where you use the knife or a sharp edge. Push it, it opens. Now slide the knife on the side. Yep. Open it. There's a cap for the battery. Safely remove it. See, the battery is the same model number and the same number as the one Energizer on the side. Place the battery in its bin. Place the cap. Yep, everything's back. Use back the keys. Put it back in. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.